Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to add zip code to vanilla gift card. So if you're having trouble adding your zip code to your vanilla gift card, so this is the step-by-step guide for you. So you need to head onto Visa Vanilla Gift Card's official website. So as you can see, we're in the website already, and once you're in, you need to scroll down further in here until you find this one in here. So this part, you need to go to the facts. So just click onto facts in here, and then you'll get redirected onto the frequently asked questions page. Now right after, you need to scroll down until you find in here the contact us, and this one, already purchased a vanilla Visa gift card. So just simply click onto that, and then right after, you need to go ahead and get their number. So you need to contact Vanilla Visa gift card onto their official number, which is stated in here, so that you could go ahead and explain to their team so that they could assist you onto adding your zip code to the vanilla gift card. And that's just basically it onto adding zip code to vanilla Visa card. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.